My name is Majed Alzahabi. I'm here at Deckerville Orthopedic Clinic. When people think about orthopedic care, they often assume they need to travel to a large city. I'm proud to provide advanced orthopedic care right here in Deckerville. I'm here for all orthopedic injuries from young to old. I specialize in sports orthopedics, so I have an extra year of training, treating soft tissue injuries in athletes as well as the general population. The most common type of injuries you see in your athletes, it's usually meniscus, ACL, MCL sprains. For the shoulder, it's going to be labrum and rotator cuff. However, for the general population, it's going to be fractures, ankle sprains, patella tendon, Achilles tears, as well as traumatic rotator cuff tears. So you see a whole wide of injuries from your athletes as well as your general population. The best time to see an orthopedic surgeon is when conservative or simple stuff kind of stop working. So you don't want to run to the office every time you have a sprain or a tweak. You want to try your simple stuff like rest, ice, compression, elevation. Take your over-the-counter medications like Tylenol, Levothyroxine, and if that doesn't work and you still have pain, discomfort, swelling, then it's definitely time to go see an orthopedic surgeon. And so during the patient's first appointment, I like to get to know the patient first, and then delve into the problem afterwards. Talk about their past medical history, what treatment options they've done. That way we can get a good base on where they are and then how we can move forward. A very small percentage of patients that I see, I actually take to surgery. Even if I do think they need surgery, I always start off with the simple stuff. So we do our therapy, we do our medications, we do our injections, and then we work our way up. We only take patients to surgery. Either it's medically necessary or they come to me, hey doc, the simple stuff isn't working. My quality of life is affected. Can you, fix this or replace this? And that's when we take patients to the OR. Procedures that we perform here in Deckerville include small procedures like trigger fingers, carpal tunnels, and then they range to ligamentous injuries from ACLs, rotator cuff tears, and all the way to joint replacements, which includes total knees. A lot of procedures are open. However, with arthroscopy, we're able to use small incisions, about 1 centimeter each, to put in cameras and tools and our instruments to perform pretty big procedures with small little incisions. Surgery is one step. It's the first step of your care. And afterwards, you got to follow the protocol, do your rehab, and hopefully everything also goes well. It provides a great service to the community. We could keep things in-house. They could get taken care of here, surgery here, go to therapy here, and follow family. Joint pain is something that can be very frustrating and affect your quality of life. If it's reached that point, it's something I would say you should seek treatment for. Get evaluated, see the cause of your pain. Sports medicine isn't just for athletes and benefits anyone with orthopedic injuries or who wants to stay active. To schedule an appointment, please call 989-912-6865.